Let's consider this part 2. Okay, so we're going to find the what is this guy called, the Revit file, Revit architectural file now. Okay, this is the file, architectural file, and click auto origin, does not make a difference. Click and say open. Okay, now what you'll see is the file has been linked now. Which file? The Revit architectural file has been linked. If you go to the 3D model, you will see the building, isn't it? So in this building we need to create what? Our floor plan. Let's say not the floor plan, our plumbing work, isn't it? This guy looks good. Okay, what was the good habit to do? This is a link file. Select the file, pin it, edit bound, room bounding, isn't it? This is called good practice. After that, you can come here, select pinned items, no, select link, no. So I will not be able to select this object, isn't it? Okay, this is good. Yeah. Now what we can do is, okay, if you want to make this a bit darker, what you will do? You go to modify, manage tab, settings, line weight. Brightness, brighter, okay, isn't it? If you like to change it, yeah, I like to make it brighter color, isn't it? Okay, now you can see it's become bright now. This is much better, isn't it? Okay, now what we will do, this is the the architectural file. This is the Revit file, let's say. Okay, let's make it like this. Okay, now what we will have to do, we will have to link this plumbing layout where to this file, isn't it? Hope this much is clear. Okay, then what we will do, we will go to Revit architectural. Okay, this is this, and go to the insert tab, then link CAD. Okay, we can see the plumbing layout. Where is the plumbing? Okay, if this is not the one, just go one step back. Plumbing is here. If you say auto origin to origin, don't worry. We said current view only. We can say manual origin or manual center. Okay, I won't say preserve, keep black and white. This one uncheck, current view only, and say okay. Okay, I tell you one thing. Okay, let's undo this, and I will give you one small easy trick how to play with this drawing. Okay, because see, this is becoming, isn't it, become a bit heavy. Let's please escape. Okay, I'm showing you something. Let's cancel. Okay, listen, I have this file here, isn't it? Okay, listen, I'll do small trick here. Okay, for this corner and this corner, I'll just draw one extra line. It's all about the game. Okay, listen, I make a new layer. Let's say alien layer. Why I did this, you will understand. Alien layer. Because this guy will help you lots. Why help you lots? Now why means I'll tell you why help you. Dark, okay, keep him current. I think you know this, isn't it? Make current layer, that's the alien layer. So this is the corner of the building, isn't it? Isn't it? This has to be aligned to the other one, other drawing. I will just draw, make sure object snap is on, that is F3. And say thank you very much, John, isn't it? This one, only 2 lines I will draw, that's it. You'll come to know what's the story. Okay, I said this much. Any comments? No comments, isn't it? Why blue color, this dark blue I did? Because in Revit is a white background, isn't it? So we need to see it. Okay, let me just say save. Okay, this has been updated. Then go to your friend Revit. Okay, fine, and then you call your friend link CAD plumbing thing, and you say manual center to center. Listen, okay, just keep him somewhere, don't take any tension. Okay, listen, done. What I told you, I need to make always the Revit file what red or blue or whichever color, isn't it? So you can see it clearly. So what we will do, how do we change the Revit file red color? Very easy. type your friend VG. Okay, what you're doing is, this is the Revit AutoCAD file, isn't it? AutoCAD file, I want to make it red color. Go to filters, sorry, imported category. Okay, okay, now can you see your friend alien layer? Alien layer. Okay, now you understand why I did it. Select this layer and then select also your plumbing layout. This two you select. Any comments? No comments. Okay, invert the selection. Then tell him others, thank you for your support. Isn't it? Good. Okay, now what I'll do is, just for our understanding, I will just draw this also blue color, just for our understanding. Okay, you want to make red color, make color. This is just an override. It will not change anything. It will only change that thing. Okay, now you think what I did. Say okay, isn't it? Apply, click circle. You see these two lines are here, isn't it? Don't take tension. Can I select it? No. Why? It is maybe pinned. Can I select it now? Same story. What I said, layout, isn't it? Now what I need to do is, I need to move this guy down, isn't it? So plus AL, this guy with this guy, isn't it? Where he went? He went here. Then this guy, that's the again escape, AL line. When I come here, what do I see? Revit link. Revit link means the architecture file. Click. With this, he says what? DWG. Click. Done. Now you think, John, what you did? Very small. Nothing has been done. Actually, you've not done anything. It will make my life easy. Okay. VG now. And call your friends behind. Which friends? The architects, the plumbing guys. Select all and say hello. Apply. They have come aligned perfectly, isn't it? Now what I always do, I tell you, put VG. I hate to see the elevation markers, at least for this view, isn't it? Any comments here? Okay, beautiful, isn't it? Okay, now what you want, see, because see, in this architectural file, let's say this file, now we don't want to see the walls. Halas, wall is done. We don't want to see the walls, isn't it? We can come here and see this is a wall CMU. Okay, let's say, just if you want, because it makes life easier. Where is the a wall CMU? I believe all the A stuff is the architectural stuff, isn't it? This is logic sense. Whichever alien did this drawing, isn't it? So what I do is, I just turn this off, just to see if, isn't it? Listen, come here. From here to, let's say, here, if I turn it off, anybody have any comments? No. I'm looking at something like this, which is what I need. I need the plumbing stuff, isn't it? I have no harm in hiding this. Even I can select this. What is this? Like this, whatever, isn't it? That layer I need to turn off. What is this? That also I need to turn off. Okay, this is what? Door 0. Okay, we turn the layer 0 off, and then we said L. No, I have other method to turn it off. Select the object. Okay, turn off the current layer. Okay, if he is making film, turn it off. Okay, just wanted to show you what will be look at, isn't it? This is clear, isn't it? We need to also turn this off. isn't it? This looks better. This is our full story, isn't it? We don't want hand railings. It is off. I freeze it. Okay, clear now? Yeah. So this is our plumbing work. Let's say they are plumbing stuff. So if we do the same thing here, how can we do the same thing here? Okay, before that I like to change the color for the plumbing. VG, we can do one step two method, isn't it? All architectures say adios. Till here, isn't it? Done? Okay. Then what? I need to remove that. Go to L. Turn this off. Then what I'll do? I'll make everyone red. Select all. Override. Change it to red, or which I think red is better because we have a white background, isn't it? Or black, blue, anything. Red. Okay, it's clear. Or instead of red, let's see. Try today. Today we will try blue. What happened blue? Because see, in Revit selection is in dark blue, so you don't get confused. You get confused. I think red is good. No decision, no change in decision, isn't it? What we have forgotten? We forgotten the fixture, isn't it? Some fixture is here which I have forgotten. What I need to go? Come here. See, this is the stuff. We didn't even notice this. Okay. What I'll do? Turn all layers on, isn't it? Come and see your friend who, this guy. See which layer he is in. Architectural plumbing fixture. Okay. How we get it back? VJ. We're missing him, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. This is clear. Good. Okay, now what we will do, we just go and see the 3D view. Everything is going smooth. Double click. Okay, nothing, no comments here. Go to the plumbing view. See, this is the Revit architecture file. What I will do is, for time being, I will turn this off. I want to see where is my AutoCAD file. How do I turn it off? Just say and tell him thank you for coming. Isn't it? Okay. What I will do is, levels are there. Okay, good. Here also same story. I want to see, because the current view only, when we linked it was only current view only. Okay, doesn't make a difference, isn't it? This is perfect. Okay, hope this much you understood. Okay, what we can do is, this is clear, isn't it? Yeah, we'll have to do the plumbing work now. For this general red I do not like for plumbing because it shows it is firefighting sprinklers, isn't it? Do you want to change the color? I think we will change it color. Okay, VG, we make it dark blue. Filter, imported, we are in the AutoCAD. Yeah, select all, dark blue, isn't it? Better. This looks better, though it gives a headache to the eyes, but I think this is better. If you want to see it better, yeah, this looks better, isn't it? Okay, now what we will do, we will link the AutoCAD file, isn't it? I select pin, I don't want to select icon now, isn't it? How about removing these tags? Okay. Go to the AutoCAD file. If you're feeling this is headache, listen. WJ query. Okay, so I don't accidentally move it. Okay, excellent. This is the full project is this only. Okay, so now what we'll do, we need to add fixtures, isn't it? Let's add the fixtures. Okay, yeah, good. let's say the sink, isn't it? Let's say sink 1, sink 2, whatever, isn't it? Let's keep drawing. Let me put these sinks here, sink 1, 2, 3, and we will move forward. Go to system tab, plumbing fixtures. Oh, he's given the sink directly. Good. What is this? This is the normal sink, isn't it? So, okay, he is playing game like this, isn't it? Okay, no problem. So right click, repeat plumbing fixture. Let me go and see load from family metric. Select one of them. Let's say kitchen. We don't want double, we need single, isn't it? Is this also good? This is also good, no problem. Okay, click this. Oops, what happened? Okay, listen. If you keep it like this, you're not becoming alien, isn't it? Okay, keep it like this. But what I told you, procedure, come and change the height of the sink. This guy is not given the height of the sink. For let's imagine, let's assume, okay, this one's height from the level 1 is how much? 1 meter? 1 meter looks good, isn't it? Let's say, isn't it? 1000 millimeter. But you need to check what's the units going on. Okay, doesn't make a difference. Just click like this. Very good. Okay, then just take one section view. John, it has to be straight. Sure, it has to be straight. Okay, we did not see so much. Let's go to view. Perfect, isn't it? 1 meter is good. Okay, so we done this. Now what we'll have to do? Okay, we can call your friend who VG. Call your Revit file. He feel bad, you know. He was kept out for some time. Okay. Okay, see, this is there. Very good, perfectly, isn't it? Okay, coming up, I will show you how to see it. See this, what's this? Sink. Okay, then I will call my friend. Okay, don't worry. If he is playing, I know how to play with him, isn't it? Or listen. I need to align this guy with this guy, isn't it? No. Don't worry. Bring this guy here. Okay. Perfect. Okay, imagine this will be the sink for the story. Okay, because I just wanted to change the design for this. It should not make a big difference here. Okay. Now what's the story? For this we'll have to create the piping, isn't it? 50 millimeter pipe, all drainage sewer. Okay, now what we will do? Generally I recommend starting from the big size coming up. So we have here which 75. Then where you have 75 from here, all 75 millimeter, isn't it? Okay, let's start from here. Start from down up, going up, isn't it? See, he is showing slope down, so we are going up now, isn't it? From here we will start, branch out, isn't it? Okay, so pipe, we said how much? 75, means 80 here. They don't have the size 75, 80 sorry. Okay, okay, we will be going down below the thing. How much we will go down? minus how much, 75 centimeter, let's say, isn't it? Okay, either the conversion we need to go up by 1%, isn't it? This looks good. We are drawing down, don't worry, don't draw attention, just draw this straight up. Okay, you would say, John, you can't see it. I say, I know we can't see it. Okay, what I'll do now, view range, I must put something minus below, much below, isn't it? Let's say minus 900. Minus 900. Okay, can we see the pipe? Yes. Not see the error. 1 minute. What we said, plumbing, pipe 1. Why you could not see it? No. Okay, it will not visible because of visibility range. Okay, listen. We will see if it is in the 3D model. 3D model, you will see your beautiful pipe somewhere. See, this is the pipe. 1 minute. Don't take any tension. Go VG. I can see the pipe here. Let's call your friend Revit file. Sometime you have to be silent. I can see my 2 pipes, isn't it? Yeah, we can see it. Okay, I done one small mistake here. I will tell you what's the mistake. Okay. Let's undo this. I'll do it in the other way. No problem. Select this. I did no mistake. I did not change the type, and I did not change it to sanitary. Isn't it? So we don't want to see. If we can see it, we can see it. You do the procedure, you will never make mistake. John told you 100 times, isn't it? Delete. Is this clear? Okay. Now what I will do is, now this becomes headache for me to see it, isn't it? Right click. Listen, I show you some alien tricks. Go to families. Go to pipe. Pipe types. What is this? DWV. Duplicate. So you don't spoil the family, isn't it? Which is this duplicate? Yeah, this is not the standard 2, isn't it? Yeah, no problem. Now what I will do, listen, just keep 2 here, and I will keep this guy to be 2. Okay? Any comments? Nothing, isn't it? I just made 2 here. Now you see what I will do. Type properties. Not routing preference, we want to see type properties. Okay, we do not want to see this, isn't it? We want to change the color. We did one small mistake here. We should have gone to the sanitary, isn't it? We don't want to see sanitary in green. So type properties. Instead of green, we need it to be, let's say, which color? Sanitary does not look any other better. Okay, let's make it red, so I can see it clearer, isn't it? You want solid pipe? Make it solid. Okay, see, now I can see it became red pipe, isn't it? But come on, sanitary generally it will be other color. It will not keep red. Red is for whom? Firefighting. Okay, hope this much is clear now. We will continue next class. Okay, let's say this will be part 3. We will continue. Okay, thank you.